Okay, back for another grow tent assembly. This is the AC Infinity Cloud Lab 642, which is a 2-foot by 4-foot grow tent. In the past couple videos, I assembled this 4x4 grow tent and also this 4x8 grow tent. If you missed those videos and you want to check them out, I will link them down in the YouTube video description section below. But yeah, let's get into the 2x4 assembly, which is pretty similar to the 4x4. And actually, according to the instructions here, it is the same assembly. So it's going to have you assemble the bottom frame first, then a couple of the bars going upward. It's going to have you unravel the canvas, put the frame into the canvas, and then build the rest of the frame. Then, of course, attach the rest of the canvas over the frame, and then zip the canvas around. Also the grow light tent bars, which we will put in, and the spill tray. So the first step really is to take this out, unravel it. I'll lay the canvas kind of flat, find out where the bottom part of the tent is. And then I like to build a frame directly into the bottom of the tent, and then work my way up. And yeah, we'll go from there. I found the bottom here, and the rest of it's kind of lying around. Now this will organize the tent pieces. So we've got the end pieces, which are D. We've got A1, A2. We've got C and B, and also we have E, which these are the grow tent bars. We have two different kinds here, which I'll explain that when we get to it. So step one is to have 2 pieces of A2, 2 pieces of A1, and then 4 of the D pieces to assemble the frame within this bottom part here. So I'm going to do that right now. Okay, the bottom of the frame is assembled in there. Now I need to kind of start building upwards. So we'll do B and then C bars. So let's put those poles up and we'll see how it looks. The way to attach these poles is pretty straightforward. You're basically just going to insert the pole and push that in, just like this. And then it locks into place. Okay, the B and C poles are now in. Next comes the top pole right here, the end piece here, D. I'm going to put these 4 end pieces in. One thing I wanted to mention is that on the end pieces, you've got this top part here, which I like having faced towards the top. And of course, on the bottom part of the frame where these pieces are used, this is flipped downward. And certainly you could connect them a different way, right? So this could actually be like this and all connect. So you could potentially put it that way, but I found that especially when you are putting the canvas over it, having it up top can help prevent ripping, potentially. So I just wanted to point out that one. And now I will connect A1 and A2 pieces, and that'll complete the frame. Frame is now complete. Next step would be to take this canvas, bring it up over, and wrap it around to zip it all together. So let's do that now. Okay, I put the canvas up over the grow tent and zipped it up for the most part. But I do want to get into the grow tent. So I am going to actually take, there's actually a piece of Velcro here which you can use to help keep the grow tent open. So we're going to keep that open, show you the inside here. You can see that there are various ventilation socks and also 3 rectangle vents. One of them you can see is already open right now. I have to decide which one I want to keep open. Usually I keep 1 or 2 of them open. Not too sure which ones I'm going to keep open just yet. That'll be in the next video, which goes over the ventilation. But a couple more things I want to do here is I'm going to first close off all these ventilation socks. And it's a double closure, so kind of hard to do with just one hand. But you basically squeeze this, tighten it all the way, then squeeze the outer one all the way, and that'll help prevent light leaks. So I'm going to do that to all of them right now. A couple of them already have it, but I'll make sure the other ones are done right now, and then we'll go from there. I've closed off the ventilation socks, and now I am going to add in the spill tray. So the spill tray will go right in here. Take this, lay this in, and the way this works is there is a Velcro strap right here. Undo the strap. Wrap it around the grow tent and then connect it right there. So I've secured all 4 corners. You can see this is pretty dirty here. I need to come in here and clean this grow tent. Actually, if you'd like to see a video on cleaning a grow tent, let me know down in the comment section below. I will make a video on how to clean a grow tent if you'd like to see it. So now that we have the spill tray in, the last step would be to install these light bars. And so the first one we're going to install is the longer one. You can see it's a little bit different in the shape. This one is actually going to attach first, and then these ones are going to go underneath it. Gives it more space to kind of come down, which you'll see here in a second. So we got that one bar going across, and then we'll put in the other bars. So the light bars are now installed, and some people will hang their light just from this one bar right here. Others will attach their light to both bars. So you can really do it either way. But yeah, and of course these bars can be adjusted downward if you want to just have one in the middle or so on and so forth. But this is kind of the default way to install them. So now the tent is fully assembled. Next up would be the ventilation. If you want to see me install the ventilation, be carbon filter, inline fan, some ducting, click the video right here and that'll take you to installing the ventilation system. Peace out everyone, catch you in the next video.